Everyone, welcome to JSOFTech. Today we are discussing SAP Business Technology Platform. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, digital transformation has become imperative and organizations seeking to stay competitive and innovative. One platform that has gained significant attention and popularity in this realm in SAP Business Technology Platform or SAP BTP. In this video, I will provide you with a beginner-friendly introduction to SAP BTP, exploring its key features, benefits, and how it enables business to harness the power of the cloud, data analytics, and intelligent technologies. What is the SAP Business Technology Platform? SAP Business Technology Platform is a comprehensive platform as a service offering from SAP that brings together a range of services and tools to support digital transformation initiatives. It serves as a central hub for developing, integrating, extending, and operating applications in a cloud environment. SAP BTP provides a unified foundation for building intelligent enterprise applications and unlocking the value of data for business across various industries. What is the key features and components? SAP BTP comprises several key features and components that empower organizations to innovative and adapt to changing market demands. Some of the notable components include integration suite, enables seamless connectivity and integration of applications, data and process both within the beyond the organization's boundaries. Extension suite facilitates the extension of existing SAP applications or the development of custom applications to meet specific business requirements. Analytics suite empowers businesses to extract insights from data by leveraging advanced analytics and visualization capabilities. Here is a good compare between traditional and the new solution with BTP for analytics suite. Database and data management provides robust data management services, including data storage, processing, and governance, ensuring data integrity and reliability. Intelligent technologies. SAP BTP incorporates emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet Things, and blockchain, enabling organizations to leverage these technologies for innovation and improve decision making. Thank you for watching.